The drama in the finance world on YouTube just doesn't stop. We had Meet Kevin and his jet problems going on. Well, who knows what's going on there? He's responding, he's doing other things. It's all speculation at this point of what's really going on. But it doesn't stop there. We have somebody on YouTube Finance who got an award for being the best personal finance YouTuber, and that was Jeremy Lefebvre, financial education. He got picked from this thing, right? This company, I don't know what they really are. I mean, financial services here, I don't know. But Bankrate, they apparently did something like this, where you see this whole like post here. They got Taylor Price, they got a bunch of other people here, and different like awards for something based in finance. And you scroll through their Instagram, and they actually don't have Jeremy Lefebvre anywhere anymore. And he was on this Instagram. We know that because Echoes from Above did a video talking about this. And he was on their Instagram page, looking at the comments, looking at the post, and seeing that there were people commenting on that, saying that it doesn't make a lot of sense that they put Jeremy Lefebvre in that like award-winning position. Not to mention these were awards for 2023, which we're only in the second month of. So I don't know how you give out awards for this year when this year is barely even started. But here we are. And they've obviously taken it off of their Instagram. I don't know if it was on their Twitter or not, but the one place they haven't taken it off of is their website right here. And their website, you can see best personal finance YouTube channel, and it's financial education. And they have what we love. Jeremy Lefebvre, also known as Financial Education, started his first YouTube channel in 2016. Today, Financial Education is a hub for engaging stock explainers, relevant market updates, and timely tips for wealth management. Over the years, Lefebvre has helped thousands of people build wealth and has made it his mission to educate new investors on all aspects of the stock market. So I don't know exactly, what they're saying here, saying like help thousands of people build wealth. We can look at some of the stock picks that Jeremy has had over the past few years here. One that he said was a lock for 10x. It was going to 10x your money was Tattooed Chef. And if we look at Tattooed Chef stock, it is absolutely down horrendous. Had you listened to Jeremy and bought Tattooed Chef, said this is the next big thing, this is the Tesla of the food industry, you would have lost a ton of your money. So that's one pick that I guess they ignored right in this article, said, everyone gets one wrong. But there's another one that Jeremy put out that he was super excited about, and he talked about so much when it went up, but he only talked about it once when it went down.
Well, holy smokers, folks, this ain't no dang jokers. Voyager Digital's ticker symbol VYGVF has gone absolutely parabolic. And yes, parabolic is the right term to use in regards to this stock. It is up over 32% here today alone, and that's after being up massively yesterday as well.
So you can see Voyager, he picked Voyager to own an exchange in crypto, couldn't decide what crypto to buy, so he bought the exchange. But Voyager went bankrupt. So had you listened to him yet again, you would have lost a ton of money, all of your money, and you would have gone into a bankrupt company. So that's 2 for 2. He's striking out. He has a litany of stocks that he's invested in that are down horrendous, that are down massive. He has a couple stocks that are up, and that's what he harps on, like Tesla, when Tesla was up, but it's fallen here now. But now he shrinks the window, so Tesla's rallied a little bit in the near term here, and that's what he focuses on instead of the giant drop that Tesla had. But also, if we look onto this video right here, we can see that he has this Hungry Bull app. He had the Hungry Bull. That was his company app thing that he started, and it was going to be the next big thing. It was going to be so good. It was going to be amazing. That company went bankrupt too. I don't know if you call it bankrupt, but he shut it down, couldn't afford to run it, wasn't making any money, so it's shut down. So he's 3 for 3. 2 stocks that he picked are down horrendous. One is officially gone bankrupt, and then the Hungry Bull app is down horrendous too. It failed. So I don't know how you could, if you're Bankrate, you could write this article. I don't know how you could do this. I don't know how you could put him and say he is the best personal finance YouTube channel out there when he has massive losers. He has bankrupt companies that he was excited about and talked about all the time. He has an app that he started that was a failure. And it's not a bad thing to fail. It's not a bad thing to try things and not have them work out. But you don't get awarded for that. You don't get an award as the best person on YouTube if you fail. If you learn from it, come back, create something again, all for that. That would be great. But you can't fail and get awarded for it. That doesn't make any sense. But Bankrate must have gotten massive pushback on their post for this. Obviously, they haven't updated their website. You can scroll through this. They have a bunch of, personal finance influencer. I don't know how that's, I guess influencer is more broad. I don't know why you would separate stuff like that, but you can see their website here. You scroll through, they have a bunch of the people that have these awards. I don't know, exactly what this is. I haven't heard of Bankrate before. So maybe they're a super low key thing. I feel like they're kind of an official thing. They're verified on Instagram, so they got to be somewhat official, right? But they've deleted everything on socials of him. There's nothing here on Jeremy Lefebvre on his post saying he's the best influencer. They probably got massive pushback and comments saying, are you guys insane? This guy's investing in bankrupt companies, promising that they're gonna 10x, they're gonna be the next big thing, and they go bankrupt. And he hasn't been super successful in anything besides Tesla and I think like Elf or something. But he really hasn't been too insanely successful picking stocks. Now, I don't watch a lot of Jeremy's content. I find it pretty boring. It's just like nothing really going on. The thumbnails suck. The titles are usually trash. It's just not really a YouTube channel that screams like growing, great YouTube channel, finance, knows what he's doing, pushing all this stuff. It doesn't scream that to me, and the fact that he won this award for it is kind of weird. Doesn't make any sense at all. Maybe he paid for it. That's a possibility. You can do that even on major publications like Forbes and stuff. You can pay them to write an article or pay them to do something with you. You don't have to like earn it. So it would be better if people had to earn it so that they wouldn't be able to kind of fake things, but that's just not the world we're in. I would love for this Instagram post to actually still be up so we could look at the comments and see what people said and see the people disagreeing, because I know that they were there, and I know that that had to have been the reason that they took this stuff down. They just got massive backlash for it. So if we look just at what they put as the ending part here for their website for it, said as his channel grew, Lefebvre opened the doors to Financial Fortress, private stock group that has expanded to over 5,000 members. So talking about his Financial Fortress, which I think at one point was like $20,000 to get in, which is crazy. And they were promising like 30% a year returns or something. It was insane. Like, it made no sense. And we see them say why they won. Stress-free approach to investing, passion for empowering young investors, focus on investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. And the funny thing for these reasons of why they won is that if you did follow Jeremy and his stock picks and invest in them, it would be anything but stress-free, obviously, because you would be losing almost all of your money almost all the time. Looks like Jeremy got the award and then got the award taken away from him and got shut down. But it's just crazy to see that they actually did this. The question is, did he pay them to do this? Did they actually pick this? Why would they pick, Jeremy Lefebvre as like the YouTube guy for that? Who knows? There's a lot of questions in the air, but ultimately, seems like the award's been taken back from Bankrate. That's going to do it for this video. As always, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.